welcome to SV channel. So I am in the kitchen. So today I am going to make Bhel puri. The ingredients to make Bhel puri are puffed rice, or we call it murmura, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, grated carrot, smashed garlic, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, chaat masala, oil and aloo bhujia for garnish. First add tomatoes, and onions, grated carrot, smashed garlic, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, chaat masala, oil, mix it well. Puffed rice, or we call it murmura,
Done.
mix it well. Now it's ready. So now we can garnish it with aloo bhujia or shave. So this is my first experience in the kitchen with the help of my mom. So please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on bell icon. Bye.